As car fluids deteriorate with age, their ability to protect the vehicle is greatly limited, resulting in mechanical failures and reduced car longevity. Our bodies are similar. Our ability to defend and repair tissues and to proliferate replacement cells declines rapidly with age. There are three areas of great concern that become overburdened by toxicities, deficiencies, and the cumulative effects of aging. Most interventions target them independently, until now. Our natural antioxidant system, controlled by the antioxidant response element, ARE, is many millions, some say trillions, of times more powerful than supplemental antioxidants attained through diet. This internal system is comprised of three primary antioxidant enzymes that unfortunately decline with age. They must be upregulated in unison as we get older, otherwise additional detrimental effects can occur. StelomARE has been meticulously designed to defend and repair stem cells, normal differentiated cells, and telomeres, while also increasing the production and proliferation of the body's powerful antioxidants, protective telomere enzymes, and self-renewing stem cells. StelomARE was developed by the inventor of the world's most prominent ARE product that has surpassed $2 billion in sales and is supported by over 25 peer-reviewed studies. StelomARE is a comprehensive formulation that uses clinically proven compounds that, when combined in a specific ratio, work synergistically to target positive factors for stem cells, telomeres, and ARE. Stem cells act as self-renewing cell reserves to regenerate damaged tissues and replenish dying cells. Active intervention to protect stem cells and to promote the proliferation of healthy circulating stem cells is required to offset the effects of aging and help our bodies regain equilibrium. Telomeres are the caps at the ends of our chromosomes. They protect our genetic material much like shoelace tips prevent our laces from fraying and unraveling. Telomeres shorten each time a cell replicates, and their length is a marker of biological age. Put quite simply, people with longer telomeres live longer and healthier. Protecting and even increasing the length of telomeres can be attained through selective plant compounds that activate the healthy expression of the telomerase enzyme. Freshly cut apples turn brown. Iron decays. This is the process of oxidation, and it's occurring inside our bodies as we literally rust from the inside out over time from the damage caused by oxidants or free radicals. Free radicals attack healthy molecules, stealing electrons from them and making them unstable, damaging cells. Antioxidants donate an electron to free radicals instead, thereby neutralizing them and preventing free radicals from stealing from other molecules. Like engine oil, radiator coolants, and transmission fluids, these three biological elements work together and must be addressed together, with a coordinated, comprehensive strategy. Stem cells, telomeres, ARE. Introducing StelomARE. StelomARE activates cells to talk to each other, causing a powerful cascade response where trillions of cells are upregulated to overcome age-related declines. In this way, StelomARE is less about the direct supplementation of certain compounds, and more about using specific combinations and ratios of compounds to trigger multiple genetic responses in the body that are far greater in value. Extensively researched since 2012, but also based on 20 years of groundbreaking expertise in this area, StelomARE is the standalone dietary supplementation choice for overall healthy aging and longevity.